Thank you for watching the turtleneck stem instructional video. The tools that you will need for this installation are a set of Allen wrenches. You will also need the turtleneck stem, a quill stem adapter if your bike comes with a quill stem, and a set of handlebars and regular bike stem. The beauty of the turtleneck stem is that you can use any combination of bike stem and handlebar set. Before we continue, there are some disclaimers. The first disclaimer is that installing the turtleneck stem could possibly void your bike's warranty. You want to make sure that you read your bike's warranty because some brands allow for cosmetic changes as long as it's not electrical. The next disclaimer is that it is not recommended to ride recklessly with the turtleneck stem. This includes doing wheelies, jumping ramps, doing tricks, and riding extreme downhill slopes. The next disclaimer is that it is not recommended to make the latch on the turtleneck stem looser. This may cause injury. The first step is to fold down your stock handlebar set. Next, use an Allen wrench and completely remove the top cap. Next, use an Allen wrench to loosen the bolts on the side of your stock stem. Now your stock handlebar and stem should slide right up. Next, you want to grab your turtleneck stem. You want to undo the quick release latch and slide the adapter out. Next, you want to pull the quick release latch. Now you should be able to open up the turtleneck stem. Now that the turtleneck stem is completely open, you want to slide it on top of your steer tube. Next, you want to get your top cap, or the top cap that was provided with the turtleneck stem, and you want to bolt it into your steer tube. You want to make sure that this is tightened down really tight, but don't tighten it down too tight. You could damage the bearings inside of your headset, but you do want to make this as tight as possible. Next, you want to tighten the bolts on the side of the turtleneck stem. Next, you want to close the turtleneck stem. Now you can slide the adapter into the turtleneck stem. Take note that the adapter has a ridge on one side. Next, you need to loosen the bolt on the top of the adapter. This is a quill stem. It should slide right out. Next, you want to completely close the turtleneck stem. Now you can slide your choice of handlebar and stem setup onto the adapter. Next, you want to tighten the bolts on the side of your bike stem. Now you can tighten down the top cap. The last step is transferring all the components from your old setup to the new setup, and you're done. That is the end of the instructional video for the turtleneck stem. Hopefully you guys enjoy this revolutionary accessory. Please remember to ride safe, have fun, and we'll see you guys in the next one.